minutes.
My older sister's left. Gala. Baba ya ce wai mu tsaya wajen mai, gidan mai. Wai a sa na 20. Ko mu sa daga nan ko kuma in an danyi nisa. Oh, okay. Akwai mai dai a cikin motar? Nunu.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we left Daura already. My name is Jamila Daura. Thanks for clicking to watch this video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, hi. We are in Kano Airport. The light here is bad. We are in the VIP lounge. but the light here is bad, so I just wanted to start this weekly vlog here, a week in the life or a few days in the life vlog here. We are on our way to Abuja. So our flight is max air for 2:10 p.m. and it's currently 1 p.m. The mister has gone to pray, so I'm waiting for him. When he's back, then I will go pray as well. How are you guys doing? So I showed you guys a bit of Daura to Kano, like the journey. Yeah, he's going to pray. Like answer. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Like the journey from Daura to kind of a bit of it.
But my sister.
But your sister is here.
From
There's the
Daura,
plan.
we took a quick flight from when we were at Abuja.
Yeah, so we're going to take a flight from Kano to Abuja. That is how you can get from Daura to from Abuja to Daura or from anywhere. So another thing is my sister's left. Half of the family.
See the camera?
Answer. They are already in Abuja. They left as early as to 6. Like yeah, so they are already in Abuja, and it took them less than 6 hours, or no 6 hours and about to get to Abuja. So my parents are still in Daura with 2 of my other siblings. They are still in Daura. They are leaving on Monday, inshallah. So yeah, it's been an amazing journey and an amazing experience, and I miss Daura a lot. I was just fighting back tears. I almost cried. I was fighting back tears. It's been long. I've been home, seeing my aunties and my uncles, my cousins, and yeah. But alhamdulillah for life. Alhamdulillah for the opportunity to celebrate. I hope you guys.
Were you crying?
Yeah, I was almost crying.
When?
I hope you all are easing into your routine after Eid. This is by far the most hectic Eid I've celebrated in a while. Having to be with family and everybody visiting, you're greeting, you're sitting down, you're greeting, you're sitting down and all that. But anyways, there's no tears, Karia. It was when we were in Daura that I almost cried, but I did not. So let me go get ready to pray as well, so that yeah, the airline is on ground, alhamdulillah. So let me show you guys.
Should I go?
No. The glare is too much. You guys won't be able to see it, but let's see.
School's in lots.
Hey guys, this is us back in Abuja. We are going out. The kids are at my aunt's place, so I want to go greet my aunt and go to the pharmacy. I need to pick up my medication there, or to buy some medications there. I'm waiting for the mister to help me get my glasses. It is so hot, very very hot. Oh, I can't pass through, but I just wanted to let you guys know that we made it safe, alhamdulillah. Back to reality, according to the mister. Back to reality. So I am about to go out with Color Riot. This does not match. From upstairs it looked like it matched, but it does not match. But anyway, we move like that. So how are you all doing? I don't know how much I'm going to put in this vlog, but let's see how this goes from today, tomorrow, and the rest of the week, inshallah. Yep. Where are we going from? Where are we going from here? Calm me down. Gala. When was the last time you ate gala? Huh? No, I just want to see how it would be like before. See? Where is your cup?
You said the cup is attractive. People that is always attractive.
Have she started calling you? Bye. today is day 3 or day 4 of this vlog. I am out of the house. I've been out since morning. We had to like split today into 2 places. Like I have other things that to do, but I didn't want to go all the way to those places, so I sent Mal and Kabiru to go do that. So I'm here and I made the stop already at Gwarimpa. I went to the other tailor that kind of called me a liar. I went to her place to return the clothes that she made because they all did not fit well. So I was able to meet the tailor himself that made my own clothes. So this one that was manageable, I told him to please just help me quickly fix it so that I have something to wear tomorrow. I'm on my way to say to now. If you guys are hearing so much noise, it's just because the glasses are down. I don't know what's wrong with the AC. I'm using my parents' utility car, so I don't know what's wrong with the AC. So we have the windows down. So yeah, I'm currently in Wuse too. I'm going to another tailor just to pick up something career, but they made careers outfits, so she bought something while she was there and they fixed it to her size. So I'm going to pick it up now. I told her she was going to pay for it because she has money. The girl is rich in naira. So I wanted to take the ATM card from my mom, her ATM card from my mom, to pay for it because I left their ATM cards with my mom. And my mom said she was going to pay for it. If I'm not going to pay for it, if her dad is not going to pay for it, I just laughed. So anyways, my mom is paying for it, so I'm going to pick it up now. And I'm also going to give them some fabrics to make for myself, and my sister also gave me fabrics to give to them. She's going to sort that with them. Then from there I'm going to go to zone 4, no, zone 1, zone 1, yeah, zone 1, to pick up, to also give them something to amend my Eid clothes that they made to amend. Oh, even this one's too, they're going to amend something. I just checked the bag and I noticed that they're going to amend something for me. So yeah, this is my day today. I'm still going to go to the supermarket to pick up some things, and from there I will head back to my parents' house because dinner is cutting my parents today. I'm not going to cook. I'm not going out to eat. Then from there, what else? The mister is going to have some visitors over tomorrow, so I'm going to be hosting, and I've been in that. I think that's why I'm actually going to shop for some things so that I can be a good host, not a perfect host, but to be a good host to the best of my ability. So yes, that is what I've been up to, and yep. See how dirty Nigeria can be. Hey fam, so today is going to be the last day of this vlog. I have been dragging this vlog for too long. The last time you guys saw me, I was out shopping. Because I was going to have guests come over. The guests are around, but they went out to the mister. I am ready now. If you guys know the famous Uncle K on Instagram, leave a comment in the comment section. Today is Uncle K's wedding. He's married, alhamdulillah, tabarakallah. He is married to the love of his life, Habiba. Such a memory. Exactly a year ago, he was in this living room right after Eid al-Kabir. He was in my living room with me. We were talking about heartbreak. I was sharing my story with him. I was sharing the story of how me and the mister and I trying to like encourage him, like what will be the one for him is going to come along and she's going to make it all worth it. And here we are today getting married. I'm so happy for him. Please say a prayer for the couple in the comment section. I'm in a hurry. The budanka is supposed to be 5 o'clock and well, he told me 4, then they told me 5, so I'm going with the 5 o'clock African time and I'm sweating because the weather is hot. There's been no light. They just brought back the light and I still kind of winged a makeup in the whole mix. So how do you love my makeup? I'm wearing this boo from last year. I'm going to put a full picture. I just did a picture session now and I just want to head out. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.